Hello, welcome to Beginner's Code. Today we are going to learn about VS Code installation, which is a very lighter version of Visual Studio. I can say like that. And as previously in the video, we have learned about how to install Visual Studio, which is mostly used for C# development and Windows application development, mobile development, ASP.NET development. But VS Code is a very lighter version ID, which you can use for scripting HTML, TypeScript, JavaScript, any kind of developments. So we'll search for the VS Code installer. And obviously, we'll download from the Microsoft side. We'll not look for any other side. You can directly reach out the first link you receive. Here, based on the OS version you are using, you can download. Currently, I'm using a Windows 11 version, so obviously I'll download a installer for Windows 11. In case you are using any other systems like Mac or Linux systems like Ubuntu, then you can download respectively that installer. So we'll click on the Windows 11 link, and you can see the download in progress. Okay, I'll open the file. So the Visual Studio installation, it will be very easy. So I'll just click on the accept the agreement and click on next. You can see there is an option where you want to set up your Visual Studio code. You can select the path according to you. I prefer to keep it at C drive as under my user. So then, if you want to change the path, you can browse and choose the path. But I'm not going to change. I'm going to keep the same thing, the program folder under my username. Then I'll click on next. So it will create a shortcut. If you want to give a customized name, you can give, but friendly, I like to keep the same as Visual Studio Code. It will be easy to identify also. If you don't want to create a menu on the start folder, like here, if you click, you get a start. Like if you don't want to create a menu, then you can uncheck that here. Then click on next. There'll be few options. Create a desktop icon, add open with code action to Windows Explorer, context menu, add open with to directory menu, register code as editor, add to path. So if you want add any additional feature, please go ahead. I'm going with the basic setups. You can select all these options also. There is nothing wrong with that. Only the thing you will get more features. And click on next. It will show you the final thing where it's going to install. You are going to get a menu on the start button and additionals. We are adding to the path which is there in the environmental variable, and also we are registering the code as a editor support, and we are clicking on install. It will take very minimal time. It will quickly finish the installation. Okay, see, it's very much faster than Visual Studio, where download only took a long time for Visual Studio, then installation again it will take around 20 to 30 minutes, but it's very quick. So now there will be few basic configurations how you like to go with, how you want the look and feel. I'll keep the uh, you can see more themes here also, but I would like to continue with dark modern. Then I'll go next. Here it's asking for extensions. If you need any extensions you can add, or uh, you can browse the recommended extension. This is the option for extension. You can search. At this moment I can choose for a formatter which will be very commonly used. Okay, I'll go with XML formatter. There is so many formatters based on your requirement. You can choose. Okay, here I can choose one HTML formatter. So these all are the extensions available in the marketplace. You can add to your VS Code. So okay, now it's done. If you want to open a project here, just go open folder. Don't think I have something. Okay, I have something here. No, I don't have anything, but I can open a folder. I can create a new folder, no problem. HTML project. You can select this. It's asking for the trusted author. It's your own folder. You can select that, and you can add a indexes. So this is what basic thing about VS Code installation and how to open a project in it or how to add a file. We'll learn about more how to operate on VS Code, how to add more extensions based on the language you are working. Like you are working on Python, then there will be extensions for Python, or you are working on Angular. You might need some formatter like Prettier, some extensions that will be explaining in the future video. So that's for today, and hope you will learn about how to install VS Code. Keep learning. Thank you for watching.